Hey, my friends. Welcome back to Daily Dose of English. I'm Tom, and I'm really happy you're here again. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will repeat ideas so you can understand everything. Today's topic is very important for many English learners. Many people tell me, Tom, I feel shy when I speak English. I feel scared. I don't feel confident. Today, I will help you fix that. Let's talk about confidence. Confidence means feeling strong, feeling sure, feeling relaxed when you speak. But many learners don't feel this way. They worry about mistakes. They worry people will judge them. They worry their accent is bad. This is normal. Everyone feels this when learning a language. Even me, when I learn other languages. But here is the good news. Confidence is a skill. Just like listening, just like speaking. You can learn it. You can practice it. And today, I will give you 5 simple ways to build your confidence in English. If you use these ideas every day, you will feel stronger and more relaxed. Okay. Let's start with tip number 1. Make peace with mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning. If you never make a mistake, it means you are not learning anything new. Every time you make a mistake, your brain grows. So next time you speak, don't worry. Don't hide. Don't feel bad. Smile and continue. That's how confident people learn. Tip number 2, practice speaking alone. You don't always need a partner. You don't always need a teacher. You can practice speaking by yourself, in your room, in the mirror, while walking, while cooking. Talk about your plans. Describe what you see. Say your ideas out loud. The more you speak alone, the more natural English becomes. Your mouth gets stronger, your voice gets clearer, and your confidence grows. Tip number 3, use small, simple sentences. Many learners think they must speak fast, or use big words, or speak like a native. No, start small. Start simple. I went to the store. I cooked dinner. I want to study English. Short sentences help your brain relax. When you relax, you speak better. Confidence grows from success, and simple sentences give you success. Tip number 4, shadowing. Yes, shadowing again. It is one of the best tools to build confidence. When you shadow a speaker, you copy their voice. You copy their rhythm, their pronunciation, their melody. This trains your brain and your mouth at the same time. Do this 5 minutes a day. Even if you feel shy, try it. After 1 week, you will feel a big difference. Tip number 5, celebrate small progress. Many learners only see their mistakes. They forget their progress. But confidence comes when you see your wins. Did you learn 3 new words today? Good job! Did you understand 50% of a podcast? Amazing! Did you speak English for 2 minutes? That's great! Celebrate the small wins. They become big wins later. Now let's put all the tips together in a daily plan. Step 1. In the morning, say 3 simple sentences in English. Today, I will learn. Today, I will practice. Today, I will try. Step 2. During the day, speak to yourself in English for 1 minute. Describe what you're doing. Step 3. Do 5 minutes of shadowing. Step 4. At night, think of 1 thing you did well in English today. 1 small win. If you do these steps every day, your confidence will grow. Slowly at first, but after 1 week, you will feel better. After 1 month, you will feel stronger. And one day, you will notice something beautiful. You are speaking English without fear, without stress, without doubt. You will feel confident. Okay, my friend, that's my message for today. Confidence is not magic. It is practice. It is patience. It is small steps every day. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing. Keep improving. This is English Unleashed, and I'm Tom. See you next time, my friend. Stay strong. Now let's go deeper. Let's talk about something very important: your mindset. Mindset means the way you think, the way you see yourself, the way you talk to yourself in your mind. Many learners say to themselves, "My English is bad. I can't speak well. People will laugh at me." These thoughts destroy confidence. They make your brain scared. They stop you from learning. So here is what you must do. Change your inner voice. When your brain says, "I can't," you say, "I am learning." When your brain says, "My accent is bad," you say, "My accent is improving every day." When your brain says, "I'm afraid," you say, "It's okay, I can try." This simple change will help you speak with more courage. Another thing, don't compare yourself to others. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. Some people speak well after 3 months. Others speak well after 2 years. Everyone is different. Your journey is your journey. When you compare, you feel weak. When you focus on yourself, you grow stronger. Let's talk about practice. Many learners only practice once a week, and they say, "Why is my English not improving?" But think about this. If you practice only once a week, your brain forgets. Your mouth forgets. Your confidence forgets. But if you practice a little every day, even 5 minutes, your brain stays awake. Your English grows. Your confidence grows. Let me give you an example. Imagine a small plant. If you give it water once a week, it grows slowly. But if you give it a little water every day, it grows fast. Your English is the same. Give it small drops of practice every day. Small drops become big progress. Now let's talk about speaking with people. Many learners feel shy. They are scared someone will correct them. They are scared someone will laugh at them. But listen, most people don't care about your mistakes. Most people want to help you. Most people respect you because you are learning another language. Speaking with people is one of the best ways to grow confidence. Even if you only say a few sentences, it helps a lot. Here is a simple trick. When you speak English with someone, don't focus on grammar. Don't focus on being perfect. Focus on communication. Did they understand you? Good. You did your job. Perfect grammar is not necessary to communicate. Confidence comes from communicating, not from perfection. And here is another powerful idea. Smile when you speak English. It sounds simple, but it works. When you smile, your body relaxes. Your voice becomes clearer. Your brain feels safe. Your confidence grows. Try it. Next time you speak English, smile a little. You will feel the difference immediately. Okay, my friend, let me leave you with this final message. Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build, step by step, day by day, mistake after mistake. Remember this. Every time you speak English, Even if it's only one sentence, you are becoming stronger. Every day you practice, your future English becomes better. Every small effort creates big progress. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Do not be afraid of speaking. Do not be afraid of trying. Be proud of yourself. You are learning another language. You are doing something difficult, something amazing, something powerful. Most people never try, but you are trying. You are growing. You are improving. And that makes you brave. One day, you will speak English with confidence. One day, you will surprise yourself. One day, you will say, I did it. I can speak English. I believe in myself.